lingkod sa ating komunidad. Please join me in welcoming our Honorable Barangay Captain, Mr. Ronilla Manalastan.
It's my honor and great privilege to introduce our guest speaker this night's affair. Our guest tonight is the daughter of our barangay, Captain Honorable Remilio Manalastan and Mrs. Luz Bunsalan Manalastan. She was born on May 11, 1981. She is 27 years old now. She finished her elementary education at Mapaniki Elementary School and graduated at Mapaniki High School for her secondary education. She pursued her college education at National Teacher College in Manila. Finished the degree of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. After a couple of months, she decided to work abroad in Dubai. Luckily, she got a good job on the prestigious company in Dubai, UAE, which is the Virgin Dutch Dubai UAE Emirates. As a short intern for almost 3 years. After that, she went back home. At present, she's working as managing directress with Reynolds Palay Trading Business. Friends, our guest has a distant relationship with an Indian guy for almost 4 years. When this handsome, kind, and hearted man named Mr. Absar Parumal Parumbil decided to come to the Philippines last February 6, 2009 to visit her. After a couple of days, he decided to marry her. So last February 16, 2009, that was Sunday, the most awaited moment in their life happened. It was their wedding day. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our newly married guest tonight, no other than Mrs. Meralisa Manalastan Parumbil. Meralisa Manalastan. Good evening to all of you, all the fellow teachers, and our honorable principals, PTA, students, and all council. And now we have also Fatima Parumbil and my specially honorable Remilio Manalastan, our barangay captain in Mapaniki, Candaba, Pampanga. I have only a short message before I will tell you. Just palakpakan muna natin ang ating sarili dahil meron tayong JS Prom. Palakpakan po natin. Kung ako dati, dito po ako nag-high school. Kung may babalik ko lang din, ang JS Prom ay pipiliin ko. Dahil nakikita ko, para sa ating mga kabataan, last Tuesday, kabataan pa ako. Ngayon, marami na po ako. Kaya, hindi lamang ang JS Prom para sa kasayawan o ano paman. Ito ay para pangasa sa inyo ng inyong mga guro at ang inyong mga magulang. Sana, itong JS Prom, magsayo po kayo, sumayaw, hindi nahihiya. Alam ko naman po yung mga kabataan na hindi po sila sumasayaw. Huwag niyo po sayang itong gabi na po ito na magsaya. Lahat po ng mga high school gusto po talagang JS Prom na po ito. Again, salamat po.